searched how to buy shares of Protara Therapeutics Inc. to show the process. Protara Therapeutics Inc. is a clinical stage biotech company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TARA. This video is educational only and not investment advice. To trade, you need a broker account, and we use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TARA to locate the company listing. Verify the name and ticker match to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for context. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker to confirm this is the correct asset. To place an order, choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in the portfolio or holdings section after the trade is placed. For convenience, the example link is in the description below.